Guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Channel Martha. If you do not know who I am, I create natural hair and lifestyle content, and this video falls under the lifestyle category. In fact, it's a vlog. Earlier this year you guys would have asked for more vlogs, and during this quarantine period I took a few clips here and there, and so I've thrown them together in a vlog for you guys. That being said, let's deal with a little housekeeping. So I'm on a quest to grow all of my platforms, and so let me let you guys know how you can support me in that quest. You guys can support me by liking my videos, by subscribing if you're not yet subscribed and you enjoy my content, and of course by sharing my videos with your friends on your different platforms. I would appreciate that greatly. So let me just give you guys a review on the torta de patanos. During the quarantine period, your girl saw the plantain lasagna recipe floating all over Facebook, and I wanted to try it. So what you see in this video is my first time trying the recipe. It came out really good. We enjoyed it thoroughly. I actually just made it again last night. If you follow me on Instagram, you would know that. And my first time was better, and here's why. I think for my taste buds in particular, I prefer less ripe plantains, so half ripe, right in the middle. And the plantains that I used the first time were less ripe compared to the ones that I used last night. So that's a tip for you guys. Apart from that, the plantain lasagna was excellent, definitely worth a try. So I hope you guys would give it a shot. And if you want the recipe, you can just search for plantain lasagna, or I can leave the link down below in the description box, so make sure you check it out. So this is the second layer, and I don't think I have enough plantain to finish the top layer, so I might have to fry one more plantain, but I'll show you guys the end product. Okay, we are done. I'm about to push this in the oven and be back. My girl Candice is on Digital Live, so I'm watching. And I'm about to go and add this to my little compost heap that I started yesterday. So I do things my own way, and hello, I sing to my plants, yes, especially when they're struggling. We call out to dry bones, come alive, come alive. We call out to dead hearts, come alive, come alive. Up out of the ashes where we see an army rise. We call out to dry bones, come alive. So what happened was that I got some seedlings. I would have planted them in a small tray at the time because I did not construct my bed. The bed that you guys saw, I constructed all by myself. As you can see, it's not perfectly done. I'm actually going to fix it and do the proper rectangle. I got some more wood, but that aside, I didn't have a bed when I got my seedlings, so I planted them in a small tray with some compost. What you guys saw in the bed were my 1 day old transplanted crops. Sometimes you cannot prevent transplanting shock, but you can minimize it. So ensure that you're not disturbing the roots of the plant too much when you're transplanting. I didn't do that. I shook off all of the compost and everything else that the plant had in the previous tray, and I planted them in new soil. And so my plants suffered a bit of shock. I didn't do much of an update when the lettuce was blooming and the kale, but I did get a great harvest, and now I'm getting a really good harvest of tomatoes. I will be continuing with my planting after the quarantine period. Let me know down below whether you began planting during the quarantine period and whether you will be continuing with planting. Okay, so I just washed my face and I used... Why isn't it focusing? I used this. It's the Simple Kind to Skin Vitamin Foaming Cleanser. And I just used it to cleanse my skin. It's not fancy, but it gets the job done. So I use it after I use like an oil to cleanse my makeup off, or if I just need to cleanse my skin. And I actually just bought this yesterday from Pennywise. Focus. I don't know why my camera is taking so long to focus. Right. This is the Queen Helen avocado and grapefruit mask, and I use this brush that I got from Shein. Shein sent me some brushes one time. Nice and smooth. Oops. A little less viscous than I anticipated because it just fell off my brush. So guys, it's like after 8 already, or probably 9 if I'm guessing correctly. If I had followed through on my plan to get myself together when I spoke to you guys earlier, I would have just put my hair in a style and I would have recorded it. But this is what my hair is looking like right now. And I am going to go watch a show on Netflix and put my hair in latch twist. I'm going to probably use a product to re-moisturize. I typically wash every week, but we are having some water issues here, and my hair was washed last week Monday and it's been stretched and I haven't done much else to it. So I think I will use this to re-moisturize, and that's the Cream of Nature Pure Honey Leave-In Conditioner. I have an entire line review on them on my channel. Check it out, guys. So I'm going to use that because it's light and it will help keep my hair stretched when I twist it back up, but it will also provide my hair with some moisture. I have put in my twist, I have washed off my mask, and I'm about to go moisturize.
Make sure their staff are on.
Also guys, a huge part of my quarantine period was working from home. I'm still working from home as we speak actually. I should be going back out in the next week or the next couple of weeks. And initially, as introverted as I am and as much of a homebody as I am, I struggled with adapting to working from home only. I think the nature of my struggle lay in the fact that I no longer had a sacred space, which is my home, my room, my house. I have prided myself on leaving the office and coming to my sacred space, which is my house. And because the two were conjoined during this period, I initially struggled. Now, Sis has adapted quite readily to working from home, and I really don't know how I'm going to venture out into the field and into the office at this point in time, especially given my personality. But I will keep you guys updated on that. It's after 9 and I'm taking my hair down just to make a short little video. So I better make a video for my channel one time. I just sprayed some rose water. On my face. I sprayed some on my hair earlier. I showed you guys the final product. I am done. I just put up my hair because I'm about to go and do an oil cleanse and wash my face, but I made a video and the video for my friend. I also made a couple stories for Instagram. How to swim?
Who can swim here? I don't like where it's going. I don't like where it's going at all.
Most Caribbean people cannot swim, you know.
It's bad, eh?
It's ridiculous.
It's paparazzi. But I'm dreaming of you. Holy. I try to say goodbye and not choke. Try to walk away and not stumble.
And guys, towards the end of the quarantine period, while measures were being lifted, I went to the church to help the sound men adjust the sound system for our return to services in the physical church house, the temple. And so what you guys see are clips from that. The duration of the video, you have come to the end. Let me know whether you began planting during the quarantine period or whether you acquired any house plants and whether you've continued with them as measures have lifted. And of course, don't forget to share with a friend. I would really appreciate it, guys. And subscribe if you're not yet subscribed.
So heavy, better help me carry. My crown so heavy, better help me carry. My crown so heavy, crown so heavy, my crown so heavy.